guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these waterfall cards. These are super cool and easy to make. They are basically cards where you pull the tab at the bottom to make the pictures flip. You can either make these as cards as a birthday gift or Christmas gift or whatever. You can decorate it any way you want. And these are just something really fun to do when you are bored. And lastly, another way that you could use them is put them in your art journal. The pictures I used here are from magazines. The things you need include 2 strips of paper. One of these has to be 2 centimeters by 10 centimeters and the other one has to be 4 centimeters by 25 centimeters. And cardstock is preferred over paper. You'll also be needing 4 different images. You can use up to 5, but I decided to use 4 images, and you're going to be needing these to be 4 by 4 centimeters. Next, you'll need a glue stick. You also need some tape. A ruler, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. Start out with your ruler, pencil, and larger strip of paper and measure 3 centimeters. After that, you're going to measure another centimeter out. You're going to do this 4 times, so you have 4 different spaces that are 1 centimeter apart. Feel free to pause here to take a better look at that. Next up, you're going to be folding, but you're going to be folding accordion style, so you'll go back and forth on each one. And as you can see here, I have shown the top so you can see how it is an accordion, and you're just going to do that until you reach the last marking you made. Make sure you're doing really crisp creases, and you can use a bone folder or ruler to help you with that. Now on that 3 centimeter area, we're going to be adding glue using our glue stick, and then we're going to glue that other strip of paper on there. After that, you're going to grab your glue stick again and glue on top of that and on top of your 1st centimeter area, and glue on your first image. This one is not going to be visible on the top, so you can use the images that you won't want to be visible on the top, but you still want to see. And then you're going to glue on the rest of your images, and there should be 3 spaces left for your extra 3 images. Next up, you're going to take the flap and fold it backwards. Make sure you're doing this loosely and not too tight, and so that will make your waterfall card run smoothly. Then you're going to want to use your scissors to cut off any excess, so they're still overlapping but just by a little bit. Next, grab your tape and place it underneath the 2 pieces and place the pieces on top and secure them. And I'm just cutting off the extra. If you want to glue this someplace, make sure you're only adding glue on this area, the little strip on the back, because if you add it anyplace else, it would not allow it to run smoothly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please subscribe and like down below. Here's my Instagram if you're wondering, and that's it for today. Bye guys! If you try this, tag me on my Instagram so I can see it. It's going to be in the description box if you're wondering.